Welcome to Still Works in Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we got going on today? Well, today we're going to do a tasting on our oatmeal whiskey. We put this in the bottle. It's about 80 proof and it is about 14 months old. I did taste a little bit, and the difference between I don't know, a couple months and now it's a completely, totally different. It is getting absolutely delicious. Okay, so we're going to do a tasting for you today, and I'll let you know what we think. Okay. Okay, first things first, there's something very special you can do for us. Number one, hit that subscribe button. Number two, hit that notification bell. Number three, share us with your friends. Number four, give us that thumbs up if you like what you see. And of course, number five, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so I'll leave a card up there so you can go back and watch the video of how we made this oatmeal whiskey. If I remember back, it was a little bit difficult, but I sure think it was worth the troubles. It wasn't all that bad, but it was a challenge. Okay. All right, so let's check this out. I've been waiting for this. I mean, first off, as you can see, that is a beautiful color. Nice and clear, nice color. Okay, so let's check the nose or the aroma out first. You can sure smell the alcohol in it, but then you get like a floral note. And I think that's been mellowing over time. Maybe a little bit of spiciness. Oh, that smells so good. I'm getting some vanilla notes. And with all oatmeal whiskey, you get this little earthy smell to it. Okay, now let's try her out. Wow. It's first thing that hits me is a little bit of caramel, and of course the oak, and a little bit of smoke. Okay. I mean, it's kind of creamy tasting, which I know I use oatmeal in beer every once in a while, and that's the reason you put it in beer. You get a really good mouthfeel, creamy taste out of it. So I'm getting a little bit of creaminess, and it sure covers the inside of your mouth. Wow. And just a hair of sweetness. I don't know why. It wasn't back sweetened or anything, but you just get a little bit of sweetness to it. That is delicious. And I'll tell you, that is as good as any commercial oatmeal whiskey I've ever had. I mean, the finish on it, once you get all that bunch of flavors going on, it just cleans right out. It's kind of dry. Of course, it's warm. Wow. What I'll do is I'm going to put the recipe for that down into the description box. If any of you got a chance to make this, please let me know. I'd like to know what your feelings are. It's very delicious. And I think the age, like I said, it's like 14 months old. I think time has done it's done its magic. The sad part is it probably won't be around long now that I've got into it. Okay. Wow. Okay. I think that was a successful whiskey that we made. I would recommend it to anybody. It does have a distinct taste. Oatmeal whiskey does have a distinct taste to it, like no others, but it's very, very good. So I would suggest anybody to make it if you'd like to. That's good. Okay. All right. Sorry about the background noise. Neighbor's having fun with his motorcycle. So anyway, this has been a very good tasting. I'm a little backed up on my taste. I haven't done none for a while. One I would like to do here soon, and I hate to say it, but I'm running out of it, and that is my roasted corn whiskey. But I do have one to share with you guys. It is fantastic. I know what it tastes like, but I'll have to describe it to you and show it to you. It is fantastic. One thing left to say. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works in Brewing. See ya. Cheers.